In this video, we're going to determine mortgage payment with Excel. And mortgage payment is what you normally pay to the lender each month to repay your loan. And the amount you pay every month depends on the terms of your mortgage loan. And this includes the principal, which is the actual balance on the loan, and the interest on the loan. And to use Excel to find mortgage payment, we need the Excel function equal PMT. So we have to begin with equal to sign because that tells Excel you want to do some calculation. So when you start with equal to, you type the PMT function and you start by typing your monthly interest rate. And to find the monthly interest rate, you always want to take the APR, which is the annual percentage rate, convert that to a decimal, and divide by 12. Next, you have the number of payment. So you introduce a comma and you type in the number of payment. And to find the number of payments, you need the number of payment periods per year times the loan term. And next, we need the amount of mortgage. So you introduce a comma and you also want to type into Excel as a negative number since the amount is being borrowed. So you always want to introduce a negative sign in front of the amount of mortgage. Now, let's consider a home mortgage of $225,000 at a fixed APR of 4.5% for 15 years. To find the monthly payment, we need to type into Excel equal PMT. This is our APR, which is 4.5%. You convert that to a decimal by dividing 4.5 by 100, and that is 0.045. You divide that by 12. The number of payment, so if you make this payment every month for 15 years, the number of payment is 12 times 15. And we need the amount borrowed, which is the $225,000. So this is the money we are borrowing from the bank. So we're going to introduce a negative sign and we type 225,000. And now if you have your Excel file, you want to type equal PMT. And the moment you start typing, it will pop up the PMT for you and you select that option. You type 0.045, divide that by 12, separate with a comma, type 12 times 15. You have to use the asterisk as your multiplication sign. Okay, so combining the shift and the 8 key on your keyboard. You introduce a comma, negative 225,000. You close it, you hit enter. So this will give you a monthly payment of 1721.23. So if you stick with this minimum monthly payment every month, you should be able to pay off the $225,000 loan at the end of the loan term, which is the 15-year period. Now we want to find the total payback. So if you make this payment every month for 15 years, your total payback, so you take the PMT value from part A, which is 171.23, you multiply by the number of payment periods per year, which is your N, and that is 12, and the loan term, which is 15. So when you do that, this will come out as 309821.40 cents. And this amount right here include what? Interest. Remember, you started with $225,000, and at the end of the loan term, or at the end of the 15 years, you are paying back $309,821.40 cents. So if you do the math, if you take the difference between the two values, that will tell you how much interest you've earned on the loan. All right. Thanks.